Hello everybody, welcome to the classes by Mrs. Monisha Nath Paul. Today we are back again with another sum based on the topic mensuration. The question is, the radius of the wheel of a car is 28 centimeter. Find the number of rotations made by the wheel in order to cover a distance of 4.4 kilometer. Now let us assume this to be the wheel of the car. Now suppose I say that the car starts moving from this part where I have marked with a blue line. It starts moving from here, okay, and it covers a distance and get back to the starting point at here. So it started from here and ended over here. So this is the distance covered by the wheel in taking one complete rotation. So what was this when I started from this blue mark and covered this entire distance and I have come back over here? So what did I actually cover? For the circle, I covered the circumference of the circle. So the distance covered by the circle in one rotation is actually what? The circumference of the circle. Okay, this is the most important concept that we have to have while doing sums of this kind. That is, the distance covered by the circle or the wheel in one rotation is equal to the circumference of the wheel. Alright, so here in this sum, the radius R is how much? 28 centimeter. This is the radius of the wheel. So what will be the circumference? It is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7, that is the value of pi, into r is 28, this much centimeter. This is 4, that is 44 into 4, 176 centimeter. So what is this 176 centimeter? This is the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. That is the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation, that is equal to 176 centimeter. So always remember, that is, the circumference of the wheel is actually what? That is the length or the distance that it covers in taking one complete rotation. So the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation is actually the circumference of the wheel, which is 176 centimeter for this sum. Okay, now it has covered a total distance of 4.4 kilometer. So the total distance covered is what? Distance covered by the wheel is 4.4 kilometer. So be very careful over here. That is, the distance covered in one rotation was 176 centimeter, and here this distance is in kilometer. So we need to change both of them in the same unit. So I'll change this to 4.4 into centimeter. What did we do? I have converted the kilometer to centimeter. So therefore, I have to find the number of rotations. So number of rotations made. So number of rotations made means to cover this much distance, it is taking one rotation. In order to cover this much distance, how many rotations it will make? So that is, we have to divide the total distance covered by the distance covered in one rotation. That is 4.4 1 2 3 4 5 by 176. All right, so this will simplify. So 2500. So your answer is the number of rotations made by the wheel is 2500. Alright, so what did we do actually? So I said the very important thing to remember while doing sums of these kinds is that you have to remember that is the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation is actually what? The circumference of the wheel. So if the radius is given, or whether if your diameter is given, whatsoever is given to you, you will first find out the circumference of the wheel. After you get the circumference, that means you have got the length or the distance that is covered by the wheel in one rotation. Okay, so the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation is actually what? The circumference of the wheel. Now the distance covered by the total distance covered by the wheel was given to you, which was 4.4 kilometer. Now make sure the distance that is covered by the wheel and the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation, both are in the same units. Okay, so 4.4 kilometer means 4.4 into 1000 into 100, that is this much centimeter. So number of rotations made will be equal to 4.4 into 100,000 by 176. So once you cancel out things and simplify over here, you are getting the rotations as 2500. So the final answer is the number of rotations made by the wheel is 2500. So I hope this concept is clear. So this way you can do sums based on this, just keeping in mind the concept that I have to consider the circumference of the wheel as the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. I hope I could help you in clearing your concept based on sums of this kind. I hope to meet you very soon in my next video. Please do subscribe my channel if you like my channel. Please press the like button. If you want to share, please share my videos. And if you want to really benefit from the videos, then please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.